Lesson 2, Magic E, the long O sound. The magic E is a special letter that sits at the end of a word. It is silent, which means we don't hear it, but it has a very important job. It makes the vowel in the word say its name. For example, cap turns to cape. The letter A changes from A to A.
We are going to learn the magic E. So sit right down and read with me, yeah. Like cake, take, bake, and make. Magic E changes the sound we say.
What is this image? Let's learn to spell and read. K, O, N, K, O, N, cone, K, O, N, cone, cone. Repeat after me. Cone, cone, cone. Wow, well done. Very good. Let's just do it one more time. K, O, N, K, O, N, cone, K, O, N, cone, cone. Repeat after me. Cone, cone, cone. Don't forget to try and read the sentence at the end of the video. You can download a free flashcard using the link in the description below. Please subscribe.
With teacher Mick, alphabet to reading, learn with teacher Mick, reading really quick, yeah, yeah, teacher Mick.
Cone. This shape is a cone. Repeat after me. This shape is a cone. This shape is a cone. Cone. This shape is a cone. Repeat after me. This shape is a cone. This shape is a cone. Cone. Ta-da! See you next time.